I call to the mountain, sitting across the bay. Morning comes always steady than yesterday. I take the stillness as a sign to write a song about things we've done and the things still to come.
Okay, we are here at a flea market that opens on the weekend, and we're just going to explore about 30 stalls. So I'm very excited because this is my first time doing a flea market in Japan. I don't know. I like it. Maybe with some jeans. I think it'll look really cool with jeans. Maybe with cargo. I'm not the fashionista though, so it's hard for me to...
Wendy?
I'm very happy that you enjoyed yourself and that you bought something too. The joys of flea marketing.
So far it is 130 to 60. I'll let you decide what that number means.
We are at Tokyo's, or rather Japan's largest flea market. It's very charming. You will see people with their cars parked and selling out of the boot of their car, or even having tarps on the floor. And you will see bags, vintage clothing, caps, but not just fashion. You will find homeware, ceramics,
Toys.
tchotchkes, vintage
Pokemon cards.
vintage toys. Let me show you around. You said 4,000. Did good at the flea market. So we had so much fun. Let me show you all of what we got. I got a $5 teacup with a lid, and it was 80 years old. Let me show you. And the guy said that even the newspaper is 70 years old, which I'm not gonna lie, kind of sold me. Okay, there's some floral designs on it, and then there's a lid down there, but
It's $5.
somewhere down there. But yeah, $5. That was the first buy of the day. Then we got another teacup somewhere. But here at the flea market, things are a little more casual. This one's gorgeous. It came in a set of 4, but or a set of 6 actually. But the set of 6 was like $260, and so we bargained and got this for 40 bucks.
Is that chipped or is that character?
It's not chipped, it's made like that. And then you have the area where it was made, and I believe this is a Kyoto stamp, but correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, last but not least, if you have teacups, you obviously need a shelf to have it on. And since I bought a shelf in Taiwan, I also bought one in Japan. I think it looks adorable, very vintage, and I'm pretty sure you display bonsai trees on it, miniature bonsai, but I think I'm gonna put succulents and teapots instead. And that's it. I hope you had fun with us. You gotta come visit yourself. It has 600 stalls, which is crazy. This is Kiyose. They really changed it up. This was not here years ago, and I love how they built it like old Japan. Maybe Edo period? We are so good at vlogging. I'm not even gonna walk up to it because I'm too lazy. Okay, that's it. We came, we saw, we conquered. AKA we took the pics. Yanaka Ginza? We've never been in this region before, and it looked really cute. So let's explore together. Hello, we are in day 3 in Tokyo.
And we are at Sensoji Temple in Asakusa.
What are we planning to do today?
We are gonna shop for kitchen stuff.
We're going to Kappabashi Street. Wait till you see it. It's amazing. Okay, let's go. Oh, I never noticed this before. First bite.
Just like I remember it. It's like a sweet bread.
We are currently at Kappabashi Street. It is known as the Kitchen Town Street, so you can find things like really great Japanese knives or even any kitchenware that you can think of, the nitty-gritty. My mission is to find maybe some matcha sets, another pair of scissors. We have one and it's so good. Or some kitchen knives. The last time we were here, we were only able to afford an $80 knife, and it's the best knife ever, but it was the tiniest knife. So hopefully we can find something within our budget that's a little more practical for cooking. But let me take you around shopping at Kappabashi Street.
Yes. Okay, so this is me being absolutely extra, but it just had the best socket I've ever. And now I'm looking at this cold socket. And still.
It is currently 3:30 in the morning and Kay just ran ahead trying to line up for Sushi Dai at the Sushi Market. Let's see if we get first seating because if my memory serves correct, there's only 15 spots for the first seating. Now we ordered separate. This is the scallop, the mussels, and the marinated portion. This is a fire squid, and the season's over now in a few days, but we're gonna try it for the first time. Oh my god, this looks scary though. 1, 2, 3. Well, how do I one bite it? Wow, that was great. After 6 years, that first bite was heavenly. How do you feel?
So good. So good. What do you think about that horse mackerel for years?
Well, we're coming back, so we're all good. We owe the chef a present, and I'm happy to report that he does remember me. I was so happy.
I was actually so happy for you. I was so happy for you. Hey, you want to know why? You want to know why he remembers her? Because she's pretty.
No, he said it was cute. We got the curry, the one I didn't want. people love a good beauty haul. But as almost 40-year-olds, this is what we got. Patches for our aching body, feet patches because we are not used to walking 25 to 30,000 steps a day, bath salts because with ginseng, turmeric, and whatnots because we're old, eye patches because our eyes are aching, and face moisturizing mask because I bought it. My skin is so dry, I busted into a nosebleed today.